In class Reptilia, according to the course of animal evolution, these are first true terrestrial animals with creeping movement. These are cold-blooded poikilotherm animals. As already discussed, poikilotherm means an organism that cannot regulate its body temperature except by behavioral means such as basking or burrowing. It is an animal whose internal temperature varies considerably. They creep on the land as their body cannot be lifted up. Okay, they are unable to lift their body up, so they creep on land. Their skin is dry and scaly. They have scaly skin and dry skin. You can see in picture very dry skin. Neck is present between head and trunk. External ear is absent. Digits are provided with claws. Some examples are tortoise, lizard, snake, etc. Next class is aves, that means birds. These vertebrates are completely adapted for aerial life. These are warm-blooded homeotherms. They can maintain their body temperature constant. The body temperature of warm-blooded animals stay about the same no matter how cold or hot it is outside. So this warm-blooded only is known as homeotherms. Their body is spindle shaped to minimize air resistance during flight. Here also we can see the shape of body is tapering at the mouth side, so to cut the air current easily. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Digits are covered with scales and bear claws. Okay, so here you can see claws are there, scales are present. So these are the modifications. Exoskeleton is present in the form of feathers. Exoskeleton too present in the form of feathers. Neck is present between head and trunk. Jaws are modified into beaks. Some examples are peacock, parrot, pigeon, duck, penguin, etc. Next is class Mammalia. Presence of mammary gland is typical character of Mammalia. Okay, in mammalians what happens? They feed their young ones. So mammary glands are present to feed their young ones. They milk their young ones. These animals are warm-blooded. Again, the body temperature of warm-blooded animals stays about the same no matter how cold or hot it is outside. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Here you can see head and neck, trunk and tail. Digits are provided with nails, claws or hooves. Okay, in fingers either nails are present, claws are present or hooves depending on types of animals, types of mammals. Exoskeleton is in the form of hairs or fur. Here also exoskeleton present. Now this is in the form of hair or fur. Examples are human, kangaroo, dolphin, bat, etc.